x cubed derivative this 3x 3 becomes 2, drop it, then give 1 less, plus this product rule 2 for practice, plus between them derivative first 6x 6x derivative 6, right second right y, derivative second y dy over dx, right first 6x equal derivative this 4 y derivative dy over dx 3 derivative 0. Now simplify this 3x squared plus 6y plus 6x dy over dx equal 4 dy over dx. This term is half dy over dx and this term is half dy over dx. This come here 6x dy over dx minus 4 dy over dx, and this come another side, come here, equal minus 3x squared plus 6y. Now write dy over dx, do bracket, I take dy over dx, still 6x, right here 6x, I take dy over dx, still minus 4 right here, minus 4, equal minus 3x squared plus 6y. Now dy over dx equal, write this, minus 3x squared plus 6y over this 6x minus 4. Finish.